back to LEGO by the Book. I'm Captain Xavier, and today I'm going to be building set 60346, Barn and Farm Animals. I acquired this set for the farm animals. The barn and all of that doesn't terribly interest me. It's a 4+ set. They're going to be real simple builds. I'm after it for the animals because there's baby pigs and a baby sheep and baby cow, and it's fabulous. And a squirrel. So, yeah, I'm after the parts, but I feel a set should always be built at least once, so I'm gonna build it. Instruction booklets for days. Here we go. We have our first mini lady in overalls. Very nice. Very nice. And we have piglets. And they are adorable. And a pig. A pig and tiny piglets. They're so cute. And then we have the first bit, a tractor with a scoop and a trailer. We could put pigs in if we wanted to. We could put whatever we wanted back here. Interestingly, it seems to be designed to come off fairly easily. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is. I don't see any other reason for that. Also, it can connect on either end, which seems an interesting feature. I dig it. I dig it. Let's move on to the next book. For our mini, we have another guy, same overalls. Seems to be a uniform of some sort. Different shirts, though. Interesting. Anyway, green overalls, and he appears to be has scissors for shearing the sheep, which is what we have next. We have... Now this is just a neat thing they came up with. It's a fleece that goes over the sheep. So they've had the standard sheep for a while. I've got a bunch of them now. But then you've got this fleece that goes on over it to make it look bigger, like it needs to get sheared, which is just neat. And then we have a baby sheep. It's adorable. So those are our animals for this one. And we seem to have some sort of a feeding trough, watering trough, trophy trough thing. Okay. We finally have some spare parts. We've got spare scissors and spare poop. Well, here we have the lower half of our barn. We've got doors that open. We've got the tool rack and a garbage can and poop, which needs scooping. We put the extra scissors on the rack there, and we'll add some extra poop. All right. Now, there's book 2. Book 3, I assume, is the roof. Yes. Okay. Build a roof. We have a short person, presumably a child. Apparently, Sunny Farms is using child labor like you do. Apparently, we have a box with a squirrel. Squirrel box. Very cool. All right. We have one spare part, a pin, and we have the upstairs, which is apparently an attic where the small child lives with the squirrels. I'm starting to have my doubts about this whole operation. There's some dubious business practices going on here, I feel. All right, well, this gets put right on there. And again, it does have a distinctly modular feel about it. Very simple, of course, because it's for little kids. we do have this bit which allows us to raise and lower. I assume those are hay bales. It doesn't go all the way down. But we can raise it up so that you can get to it. There's this little window. Yeah. Yeah. That keeps getting closed. Would you stop it? There we go. Alright. One bag to go. Alright. Final mini is another person in the orange overalls with a brush. And baby cow and cow. Which is fabulous. And a box of produce. And now we build. And we have a watering, cleaning station. I'm not sure what's going on here. We got a hose with water. Yeah, there's more stuff. We've added a rubbing block, which I have not seen this piece in a long time. It used to be the street sweeper bristle thing, and then we have a barrel with a plate on the bottom. Very cool. All right. Now we move on to something else. And we have a greenhouse. Pretty nifty. And we could actually have the produce in there and fill out the rest of it, but we do have a watering can, which has the pips to have a handle, but no top hand. No, you know what? I've got those. I'm gonna add one. There. Now it has a handle. Why not? There, no. Maybe that's why they don't put it on. Falls right off when you try to put it down on something. Did I mention the butterfly? There's a butterfly. Usual spare parts. We got an extra horn and a bit of greenery. And alright, let's assemble it all. We have barn, greenhouse, washing station. Nope, can't see it. Out of frame. Washing station with baby cow and mommy cow. Lady with brush hosing down the baby. Pigs. Ships. And a tractor. And a watering trough. Right. So we can get it all in the frame at once. Oh, sheep shearing guy fell down. No! The tractor's down. Ah, lovely. Lovely. Nifty little set. Lots of good parts. Big parts in this. Some of those are useful. Some of them not so much. The animals are obviously what I was after. And I have them. Also, pumpkins and carrots. Can never have too much of that. So, yeah. There it is. Set 60346. Barn and farm animals. Thank you for watching.